Hello, it is Lou again from Enormous Mobile Specialties near Erie, Pennsylvania. Today we have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited. This Jeep is fully loaded. It's got heated seats, heated steering wheel, it even has remote start from the factory, but it lacked the feature that they really wanted, which was a power opening close rear liftgate or hatch. The kit we installed is a specialty kit. It interfaces with the vehicle's CAN bus communication system or computer system. This allows the driver to actuate the power rear hatch using the existing exterior rear liftgate release handle, as well as using the factory Jeep key fobs by pressing the unlock button 3 times rapidly, and that will allow you to open or close the power rear hatch. Now, in addition to using the existing Jeep key fobs or using the exterior tailgate handle, we also installed 2 switches. A switch under the dash, under the steering wheel, that you could open or close the rear hatch, and we also put a switch on the rear tailgate itself. So if you're standing there, you're looking inside the vehicle, you push the button, you can close that rear hatch. First, we removed the old hydraulic liftgate struts. We installed heavy-duty power liftgate strut brackets and bolted them to the existing bracket holes. After those were installed, we installed the new power liftgate struts and control module. We ran all the wires to the front of the vehicle along the existing wire harness and programmed the liftgate to the computer system of the vehicle. And we hope you enjoyed the video. If we can help you, please let us know.